Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Evolved Enchant Stone in the latest Visit update. So in this update, there's a brand new enchant stone called Evolved Enchant Stone like this. You can get this stone by fishing in the ancient ruin area, so make sure you spend some time fishing there until you obtain one. And after you get this stone, it's time to use it. Just head over to the esoteric enchants place like this, then the same locations where you usually apply enchant stone. And once you're there, the just activate the rod that you want to enchant. For example, in here I will use my Goswin. And then next just take out your evolved enchant like this. And then next just tap on the altar like this, tap on the place enchant stone. And then you will receive a new evolved enchant on your road. The result will be random, so make sure you have several enchants to get to do enchanting several times. And okay, that's it. It's simple and easy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.